We have a freezing rain advisory that's been issued now for most of our viewers, and it lasts through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. This really doesn't change a lot. We are expecting some drizzle to work northward and a couple of isolated rain showers. Fog is going to try to settle in during the overnight, and initially, objects are going to be cold. Bridges, roads, trees, sidewalks. We're going to see some cold objects, and as this drizzle rain come in, it's going to try to freeze to some of those objects. And especially with the rain moving in being fairly light, I think that's going to cause some issues with the freezing rain, causing it to glaze, where if the rain was heavier, it would help the objects to warm up. But nonetheless, we have a freezing rain advisory through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you're out overnight or up early tomorrow morning, make sure to check in with Good Day Wisconsin and find out exactly what's happening at that point. You can see some light rain coming northward right now, moving into the southern portions of Fond du Lac County, initially starting as some freezing drizzle, then changing over to some light rain showers and light rain, again continuing to move northward. But actual air temperature, 36 in Fond du Lac, 35 in Oshkosh, 34 in Green Bay, and 37 in Shawano. So how do you get freezing drizzle when temperatures are above freezing? Well, they take temperatures at about 6 feet off the ground. So the ground may actually be around 28 or 29, while 6 feet up, as this warm air rushes in, it's 34. So as the precipitation falls, it's falling as light rain and drizzle, and it may initially freeze to those cold objects. Cold objects mainly concerned about untreated roadways, untreated bridges, especially in rural areas, and sidewalks. So you may see some glaze ice in spots, especially tomorrow morning. We are going to see temperatures hold steady, though, around 33 or 34 through the overnight, with some light patchy rain showers and some fog developing. We'll see that continue through the day tomorrow. Severe weather index in the moderate category, drizzle, fog, and we are going to see some icy patches. Right now, 36 in Appleton. Temperatures throughout the state above freezing, but again, it's those objects, it's the things that the rain's falling into that may still be cold and below freezing at times. The visibility is down to a mile at Madison, 2 miles in Waterloo, 4 miles in La Crosse. There's a dense fog advisory for the western parts of the state through noon tomorrow. So you can see the precipitation kind of pop up on the radar here over the last 2 hours, slowly working towards the northeast, and the clouds are also filling in from the west. So some scattered light drizzle, some rain showers at times overnight, and tomorrow and into tomorrow night until the entire storm system moves through, and that's going to be late overnight on New Year's Eve. So in the meantime, with the warm air rushing in over that snowpack, we are going to settle into some fog, some drizzle at times, and initially we may see some patchy freezing drizzle, and that will continue into Thursday and Friday. For tonight, drizzle, fog, some icy spots. Temperature's pretty steady, though, around 33. Tomorrow, cloudy with drizzle and fog, 36 for the afternoon high. Cloudy, drizzle and fog, 40 on Friday. And then temperatures just crash after midnight on New Year's Eve. Saturday will drop all the way to 15 by Saturday afternoon, with some flurries possible on Saturday. 18 on Sunday, with the Packer game in town. Wind chills Sunday running around 0 all day. So again, temperatures are above freezing, but that may be deceptive because they take that temperature reading 6 feet off the ground. All right.